Welcome, marketers. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of Facebook marketing, unlocking tips that'll elevate your game. 1. The power of visuals. First up, visuals are key. Capture attention with eye-catching images and videos. Make sure they tell a story and resonate with your audience. 2. Know your audience. Understand your audience's preferences. Leverage Facebook Insights to gather data. Tailor your content to meet their needs, creating a personalized experience. 3. Timing is everything. Timing matters. Post when your audience is most active. Experiment with different time slots and analyze engagement patterns to find the sweet spot. 4. Engage with authenticity. Engagement thrives on authenticity. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a community. Authenticity builds trust, turning followers into brand advocates. 5. Harness the power of Facebook groups. Groups are gold mines. Create or join relevant communities. Share valuable content, answer questions, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. 6. Compelling ad strategies. Ads don't have to feel like ads. Craft compelling stories within your ads. Use carousel ads to showcase products or services creatively. 7. Data-driven decisions. Numbers tell a story. Analyze Facebook analytics regularly. Identify high-performing content and replicate success while refining underperformers. There you have it, Facebook marketing demystified. Incorporate these tips, adapt, and watch your brand soar on the world's largest social media platform. Like, share, and let's keep the conversation going. Happy marketing!